And I posted. I mean, I post all of it. I just need it for all kind of purposes.
I'm too handsome.
First, let me. First, I need to do an update about this little thing here.
And you want me to be in it?
Yeah, you can sit right there. In a minute, I'm gonna talk to you. But this is a quick update on this. Last week, one of my subscribers notified me that the link that I provided, because they don't make this little detail anymore, they said it was unavailable. Right above the link that I provided was this same thing. I looked at it, looks like the same thing. The only thing I noticed was the price was different. they went up a little. All right, so I found out a little bit more about this detail. If you notice here, I've put the little shutter button on the top. It comes in and out like this. There. Okay, shutter button's back in there like this. And you can videotape like that. And but the big thing is, I'll put the link down there. This is still available. Also, and the belt clip. You know, I had it up here, and I took some I took some trail picture, but it was up in the air. It was not good. But since then, I put the belt clip here on the sternum strap, and it's much easier. In fact, I did some video on the trail with John, and I'll include maybe 15 seconds of it just to show you, because I use trekking poles. Not today, I didn't, because this is a park and pitch site. We didn't go far, but anyway, it's still available, and I just wanted to update you on it. Now, John is our guest, and he has a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put it also. I'll put it on the screen. I'll type it in up there. Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors. But anyway, John is our guest, and what I thought I would do, I was going to present him with a aqua clip for his bottle.
Well, thanks. You don't have to do that.
And here is Senior Hiker 77 sticker. If you're a sticker guys,
I'll take it.
yeah. Now, if you want me to sign that, I will, but I don't want you to put that on eBay for sale, okay?
I'll wait.
Like somebody's gonna buy it. Oh my God! Hey, you know, I ought to do that. I got an eBay. I might put it on eBay for 5 cents and just see who's a. I think
in about 30 years, it'll probably be worth $1,000.
I'm gonna sign it for you if you got a pen. I don't have a pen.
I don't even have a pen on me.
But listen, I think I do that on my next video. I think I might open up. I'll put it in on eBay just to see if anybody 5 cents. I'll sell it for. Limit to 5.
Okay, guys. I was just walking along, minding my own business through the woods here at Pine Mountain, camping with Senior Hiker 77. And look what I almost stepped on. I don't know what kind of snake that is.
I meant to tell you, John is from northeast Georgia, and it's about a 3-hour ride to come here. So he went out his way to get here, and I'm glad to present him with a couple of little things for souvenirs, if nothing else.
Well, I appreciate it.
All right. So bye.
Bye, y'all.